the square root of 0.81 times 10 to the power minus 5, all divided by 2.25 times 10 to the power of 7. All right, the first thing to do here is to remove the decimal points. We know that we can achieve that in so many ways. First thing we can do is, because we have 1 to 2 decimal place up and 1 to 2 decimal place up, we can multiply through by the highest number of decimal places observable, which is in this case is 2. 1, 2. So in that case, we are going to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 100. In that case, you can write this as the square root of 0.81 times 10 raised to the power minus 5 times 100 divided by 2.25 times 10 raised to the power 7 times 100 as well. In doing this, we know that 0.81 is the same thing as 81 over 100. So we can write this as 81 over 100 times 10 raised to the power minus 5 times 100, all divided by 225 divided by 100 times 10 raised to the power 7 times 100 over 1. In that case, 100 can cancel 100, 100 cancels 100, and we are left with the square root of 81 times 10 raised to the power minus 5 divided by 225 times 10 raised to the power 7. Now, going further, we can write this as square root of 81 all over 225 times 10 raised to the power minus 5 divided by 10 raised to the power 7. Now, since they are having the same base on this side, we can write this as square root of 81 over 225 times. Now, in indices, if you have a raised to the power x divided by a raised to the power y, you can write this as a raised to the power x minus y. In that case, we can apply it for this. So times 10 raised to the power minus 5 minus 7. Doing that, we will have square root of 81 over 225 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 5 minus 7 is the same thing as minus 12. Now we can write this way. This will give us the square root of 81 divided by square root of 225 times square root of 10 raised to the power minus 12. Now the square root of 81 is known as 9. That of 225 is 15. This will give us square root of 81 is 9. Square root of 225 is 15. So times. Now in indices, the square root of number x is equals to x raised to the power 1 over 2. So we can write this as times 10 raised to the power minus 12 times 1 over 2. 2 here, 1, 2 here, minus 6. So you can write this as 9 over 15 times 10 raised to the power minus 6. Now, 9 over 16 is 3 here is 3. 3 here is 5. 5 in 3 cannot go, put 0 points. Add 0 here. 5 in 30 is 6 times 10 raised to the power minus 6. So, can write this as 6 over 10, which is the standard form, which is 6 times 10 raised to the power minus 1 times 10 raised to the power minus 6. That is 6 times 10 raised to the power minus 1 minus 6 is minus 7. That is our final answer. Thank you. Now we can approach this question in another dimension, as we can split the numbers, decimals on one side, the whole power of 10 on one side. We can write this as square root of 0.81 divided by 2.25 times square root of 10 raised to the power minus 5 divided by 10 raised to the power 7. From there, we can now eliminate the decimals. This will give us, in that case, this can multiply through by 100, 100, 1, 2, give us square root of 81 divided by square root of 225 times square root of this. Now, simplifying this now, we have it to be square root of 10 minus 5 minus 7. In doing this, the square root of 81 is 9. But just in case we are not sure of the square root, we can come back like this. Think of 2, 3, and 5. 2 cannot go because 1 is not an even number. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3, hence 81 divisible by 3. So 3 in 81 is 27. 3 in 27 is 9. 3 in 9 is 3. 3 in 3 is 1. So 81 is something as 3 raised to the power 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hence, the square root is one of these, which is 3 squared, and that is 9. Let's do that for 225. 225. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. So 3 can divide 2 to 5. 3 in 22 is 7. Remember 1. 3 in 15 is 5. 3 in 7 is 2. Remember 1. 3 in 15 is 5. 3 can no longer go. Let's go to 5. 5 in 25 in 25 is 5. 5 in 5 is 1. So 2 to 5 is 3 times 5 times 3 again times 5. Pick one of these. So the square root of 2 to 5 now is picking one of these. It is 3 times 5 equals 15. If you can get the square root at a glance, no problem. This method only serves for those who may not be able to get the square root of the number at a glance. So let's come back here. So from what we have done now, you can infer that the square root of 81 is 9. So 9 all over 10 times square root of 10 raised to the power minus 5 minus 7 is minus 12. Let's divide this. 15 in 9 cannot go. That is 0 points. 15 in 90, that is 6. So times. Now, from indices, square root of a is written as a raised to the power 1 over 2. So we can write this as 10 raised to the power minus 12 raised to the power 1 over 2, which can write as 0.6 times 10 raised to the power minus 12 times 1 over 2. 2 here, 1, 2 here is 6. This is 0.6 times 10 raised to the power minus 6. Now, 0.6 is something as 6 times 10 to the power minus 1. So, multiply it again times 10 to the power minus 6. That is 6 times 10 to the power minus 1 minus 6 is minus 7 as before.